Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the SYSKA HT200U Beard Pro beard trimmer. So as you can see, this is the box that this beard trimmer comes in. It says 40 minutes of cordless use. So this is a cordless beard trimmer. It has a charging time of up to 6 hours and it will give you 40 minutes of use. So 40 minutes should be enough for you to trim your beard to whatever length you'd like to get it down to. Now this can go all the way down to 2 mm, so it says 2 mm precision. It has 5 different length settings. It's USB charging, so there'll be a USB charging cable inside and it'll charge via the USB. It has a 4 stubble combs, alright. It says ergonomical design. We'll just open it up and actually see how ergonomical it is, the design. A lightweight compact design, okay. And on the back side of the box you can see that these are the self-sharpening stainless blades on the top. Easy grip. The on-off button is right there. There's a LED charging indicator, and it has something called advanced rototech technology. All right. On the other side, some specifications. So again, like I said, charging time is up to 6 hours, and 6 hours of charge will give you up to 40 minutes of usage. All right. The package contains a trimmer, a cleaning brush, a charging cable, 4 stubble combs, 1 user manual and warranty card. So alright, let's just go ahead and unbox this and see what the product actually looks like. So I'm just going to open the seal on the top. Alright, once the seal is opened, so the beard trimmer, I'll just keep that off to the side. Okay, I'll keep the box also in the frame. So that's what this little plastic container contains, the beard trimmer. This is the beard trimmer itself. So the SYSKA Beard Pro beard trimmer. It comes with this, again it tells you, this little card tells you the features, and exactly what's on the box is just repeated. So you can remove that little card. This is the beard trimmer itself. Okay. So it actually has a little bit of charge, as you can see. And let's just put that aside. Let's see what else you get. So they say that you got 4 combs. So these are the 4 combs that you get. So it says 7 mm, 5 mm, 3 mm and 1 mm. So there are these different length settings, which I'll just place right here. 4 combs. Apart from that, at the bottom you can see that there's the charging cable. This is the micro USB charging cable. You get a warranty card, you get a cleaning brush, and this is the user manual. Alright, so let's just go ahead and set that out there, and there you have it. So there you have it, folks. That's everything that you get in the box when you decide to buy the SYSKA HT200U Beard Pro beard trimmer. That was the unboxing video. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.